Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, I want to welcome you and thank you for subscribing. If you have not subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button and also the notification bell icon on the side so that whenever I upload a video you will get a notification. Thank you. All right guys, so today I'm just going to be quick. All right, I was about to fry some fish and I was like, you know what, why don't I just record it and show it to my family on YouTube. So I have my fish, as you can see, it is all cleaned up, okay? I have two types of fish in here, but before I touch the fish, I want to go into the seasoning. I do not do too much seasoning with my fish, okay? I'm using Badia complete seasoning and some kosher salt, a little bit of kosher salt because there is some salt in this Badia seasoning. And for my oil that I'm going to be using avocado oil, okay? All right, so to start off, I got this fish from the flea market. I said from the, yeah, it was from the flea market yesterday. So let me just sprinkle my seasoning on it, okay? And then I will go ahead and touch the fish. I don't want to do it the other way around. So it's just sprinkle a generous amount of Badia seasoning, okay? And just a little bit of salt. Not too much, okay? We're going to go ahead and toss this around. Our fish is well coated. So I have this right here. This is the, I think what they call the smelt. These, when you buy these, it's already like cleaned. I got this from Sanwa in Tampa, okay? And this is what I got from the flea market. I forgot the name of this fish. So if you know the name, please leave it in the comment section, okay? I really, I forgot it. I got it yesterday. I cleaned it, okay? So you have to descale it, take the scales off, and then you have to go in the gut and take all the gut out. So that's what I did and rinsed it, and then I squeezed a bit of lime on there, let it sit for a few minutes, and then rinse it off, and this is good to go, okay? All right, so this is a really simple recipe. Usually in Ghana, when we fry fish, you know, we just descale it, clean it really well, and then put some salt on there. That's usually the traditional way of how most people that fry fish do it in Ghana. So yep, this is it, okay? Let me know what you all think. We're going to fry this bad boys up. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let me show you what I have so far. I'm in the garage, so if it's a bit noisy here. So I had to use 2 deep fryers. This is how the first fish came out. It came out really nice. Before you fry your fish, make sure you add some onions. Like first fry some onion in the oil. All right, we are back. So I started off with this deep fryer, okay? I fried the long ones in there, but it was going so slow for me, so I switched over to my fried daddy. And this the smelt is ready, okay? You don't want to fry it for like too long. You don't want it like crispy. You don't want to be enjoying your fish where it's like crumbling, falling apart. This is not biscuit, okay? It's fish, so this is ready. So this is how everything looks. This is some good looking fried fish. Oh man. So you want to fry them until it's nice and golden brown and, you know, cooked all the way through, okay? Cooked all the way through. Oh yeah. Let me know what you guys think. Leave your comments. What do you use to season your fish before you deep fry it? So now this is what you eat your fried fish with. I have Kenkey otim. I have salsa, mekwayam, kwala, and some onions and tomatoes with some avocado. This one is payankuto. Now I'm going to be hi. I am me. You can see I was working on this one. What's that? Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you respect your culture. This is how we Ghanaians we do it. So let me know what you all think, okay? Like, comment, share, subscribe. See you in my next video. Have a blessed week. Bye, guys.